From Sooner Standards, Show Your Work, a complete Grade 5 computer science unit for Oklahoma Standard 5APPD04. Students learn to communicate and explain the choices I made while building a program, using clear comments, a spoken presentation, and a live demonstration suited to my audience. Inside, a full teacher guide with pacing, misconceptions, and a scoring rubric, plus a content lesson with built-in comprehension checkpoints. New this update, a standard mastery rubric for teachers and parents, a visual 3 tools comparison chart, a CS Careers connection, and an AI connection, all built to the Oklahoma HQM rubric. Plus a 12-question assessment with answer key, group and individual activities, vocabulary puzzles, a family letter, and a certificate of achievement. That's 3 to 4 days of no prep, HQM-aligned instruction across 35 ready-to-print pages. Find it at Sooner Standards on Teachers Pay Teachers.